Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Dominican-style potato salad. First, let's gather our core ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of potatoes, 4 to 6 large eggs, and 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise. Don't forget your fresh vegetables like red onion, bell peppers, and celery, plus essential seasonings such as salt, pepper, and a splash of vinegar. Now let's get cooking. Start by boiling your 2 pounds of potatoes in salted water until they are fork tender, which usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Simultaneously, hard boil your 4 to 6 eggs for 10 minutes. Once cooked, drain and cool both the potatoes and eggs completely before peeling and dicing them into 1/2-inch pieces. With your potatoes and eggs diced, it's time to bring everything together. In a large bowl, combine the diced potatoes, eggs, and your finely chopped vegetables. Now, add 1 cup of creamy mayonnaise and 2 tablespoons of tangy apple cider vinegar. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper, mixing gently until everything is well coated. The final step is crucial for flavor development. Gently fold all the ingredients together one last time. Then, cover your potato salad and refrigerate it for a minimum of 2 hours. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Before serving, you can garnish with fresh chopped parsley or a sprinkle of paprika for a vibrant touch. Enjoy this classic side dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.